Windows just got a secret speed boost and your NVMe SSD could be screaming faster than ever. Hey GadInsiders, your place for all the tech updates. Microsoft quietly rolled out a native NVMe driver in Windows Server 2025. While it wasn't officially meant for Windows 11, savvy users discovered they can unlock it there too, and the results are turning heads. Early tests show some SSDs hitting up to 45% faster transfer speeds, especially in random access workloads that matter for system responsiveness and snappy performance. Here's the tech scoop. For years, Windows has been forcing super fast NVMe drives through a slow, hard drive-friendly SCSI translation layer. Even the quickest drives couldn't reach their full potential. The new native driver removes that step and lets Windows talk directly to your SSD. On servers, Microsoft claims huge gains in random IOPS and lower CPU load, and now regular users might feel some of that power too. The catch? Flipping the switch isn't that easy. You have to change the Windows registry, which is risky business. One wrong move and you could face data loss or boot problems. Some third-party SSD tools or backup software might also act funky after the switch. For casual users, the gains probably won't make much difference. Games will load about the same and normal file copies already feel fast. But for power users, storage pros, or anyone running IOPS heavy apps, it's a juicy way to squeeze extra speed from your hardware. If you're tech savvy and feeling adventurous, this hidden Windows tweak could turn your SSD from fast to blazing. Are you ready to experience the speed? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.